Can AI find the chords of African praise and worship songs on the guitar? So imagine being able to play any African praise and worship song in minutes, like no more guessing, no more mistakes or anything. Imagine that possibility. What if I told you that it could be at your fingertips? Today, I'm going to show you an AI tool that does that very perfectly. I created a video and I talked about how that tool is used, and I'm also going to talk about it in this video. What it does is just mind-blowing, and I'm sure you don't want to miss out on it. If you're a guitarist that struggles with finding chords or finding chord progressions and you get embarrassed most of the time because you are lost and don't know what to do, this video is particularly for you. So don't go anywhere but watch it and then start using it right away. One of the struggles a lot of us have is ear training, getting to know what chord is what chord. Like when you hear a song, we really struggle to identify what they are, right? And sometimes, to be honest, it's very, very frustrating. I understand that because I've taught a lot of guitarists, Nigerian guitar players, and I teach people every day, so I see people struggle with these things. I'm going to show you how this AI tool is solving that problem for a lot of guitar players. Meet this AI tool. Is called Lamucal, and all it does is to help musicians, guitarists to find lyrics, to find the chords to particular songs, chord progression. It has a lot of features, it has tabs and a lot of things there. So we're going to dive right in and I'm going to show you how it works. So ensure you watch this video till the end. Lamucal.com, yep. And when you are there, you're going to see a search bar. It says search any song, right? So we're going to think of two songs. Okay, I'm going to use one for fast praise and one for like worship, right? Worship. So I know I'm going to get a copyright claim for this, but I'll just have to file I'll just have to file and then dispute it. Yeah, because this is for a tutorial. All right, so we're going to use let's search for, let's say, who now? Mercy Chinwo. If you don't know who Mercy Chinwo is, she's a popular Nigerian gospel artist, a global icon. All right, so let's search Mercy Chinwo. So we search and we wait. Okay, so there's this song here. Okay, let me see. This one says give me chance, so we're going to click on it and we're going to see what it's like. Okay, so here's the cool thing about this tool. As soon as you search for the song, you see the key of the song, the speed of the song, whether a capo is on the guitar or not. But then before I move forward, I want to let you know that we would have enjoyed a lot of things here, but but I'm using the free version, so we're not going to have much to work with. Under the premium version, you can upload any song at all and it's going to analyze it for you. That's pretty awesome, right? So, but for the sake of this, we're going to manage our free version. Okay, so you see the key, the beats per minute, no capo and all of that. So the good thing is that when you come down here, you see chords, then it shows you the chords on the guitar. It's actually for different instruments, but since we're guitarists, right, we're sticking with guitar. So you're going to see the different chords of the song and the order, and then if you scroll down, you're going to see the chords and then the lyrics. All right, so let me play it so that you understand what I'm saying. And the good thing is that everything is happening in real time. Okay, so it goes to YouTube, it loads it. Okay, so can you see? As everything is moving, as the song is playing in the background, like it's capturing and is matching the chord to the lyrics. It's matching the chord to the lyrics. Okay? Yeah, so this is very, very awesome. This is very, very awesome. Like, I was blown away when I found out what this tool can do. And that's not all that this tool can do. Like, if you come down here, can you see? You can see transpose the key. It shows you the key of the song. is on F, right? But then you can transpose to any key at all. Like if you press up, it goes to F sharp, transposes everything to F sharp. Then you can see simplify, you can see the capo, right? You can see volume, pitch shift. If I want the song to be higher in pitch or lower in pitch, is here. The speed, the signature, like it's just a lot. And you can actually download. You can actually download it, but because we are not in the premium mode, we can't do that. So yeah. So but this is an awesome tool. Like Lamucal is an awesome AI tool, and honestly I'm very impressed. So we're going to check out another thing. Yeah, remember we're asking if AI can show us the chords to African praise and worship songs, right? So let's type Yahweh Sabaoth. Let's see what it gives us. By Nathaniel Bassey. We're going to search that. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading. It's loading. Okay. It's loading. Okay. So we have okay, let me type Nathaniel Bassey. I'm going to type Nathaniel Bassey. Nathaniel Bassey is also a global icon, right? Yeah. So let's see one of his songs. Okay, Yeshua Hamashiach, right? So if we click it, it leads us to that same page. Wow, this is awesome. If you're enjoying the video, ensure you hit like, comment in the comment section, and let me know if this tool is helpful. Let me know if you are going to use this tool to find your chords and chord progressions, right? So you can see the same thing. It shows the chords of everything here, like the key and the chords. That's very amazing. Okay, so if we play it as usual, Yeshua Hamashiach. Can you see? Can you see it? It's matching it. It's matching it. Lion of Judah. And then if you hover on the alphabet, you're going to see the chord. This is awesome. Like, this is awesome. Like, it means that I can just pick up any song that I don't know and just put the link and then I get it. And like I said, because we are using the free version, we don't have access to uploading. But once you subscribe to their premium version, you can drag any song at all from your device and upload, and it gives you the chords just like it's here, right? So this is a very, very incredible tool, and I encourage every guitarist out there that is struggling with finding chord progressions and all of that. And then for some of us that don't even know lyrics of songs, this is a good way to learn, and then it helps you to learn the chord progression on time. Like, it has the timing and everything. You check it. If you check it here, you are going to see, right? So yeah, this is Lamucal for you. Shout out to Lamucal for creating something like this, such an awesome tool, and I advise everybody out there to leverage on these AI tools because it's going to make you 10 times better and help your learning progress to be faster. If this is your first time watching and you want to watch more videos like this, let me know in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notifications so you get updated each time I put up a video like this. See you in the next video. Cheers.